Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage content with WordPress, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage content with WordPress, begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate the Posts section in the left-hand menu. Click on Posts to access all your existing blog posts. To add a new post, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. This will open the post editor, where you can enter your title and content. Use the visual editor for a more user-friendly experience or switch to the text editor for HTML coding. To add images or media, click on the Add Media button above the content area. Upload your files or select from the media library. Once your media is inserted, you can adjust its alignment and size as needed. To categorize your post, find the Categories box on the right side. Select existing categories or add new ones to help organize your content. Tags can also be added for more specific categorization. Next, set a featured image for your post to attract more viewers. Click on Set Featured Image in the Featured Image box. Choose an image from your media library or upload a new one. Now, look at the excerpt box if you want to add a short summary of your post. This will appear in search results and archives, helping users understand your content. Once everything is in order, review your post settings below. You can choose to publish immediately or schedule it for later. If you're ready to go live, click on the Publish button. To edit existing posts, go back to the Posts section and select the one you want to change. Click Edit to make your necessary adjustments. After you finish editing, remember to update your post by clicking the Update button. For managing pages, navigate to the Pages section using the left menu. The process for adding and editing pages is similar to that of posts. Utilize the Add New button to create a new page effortlessly. For managing comments, go to the Comments section to review and moderate user feedback. Respond to comments directly or mark them as spam if necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.